Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley with mods. Modding your game can significantly enhance your farming adventure, adding fresh content and exciting new ways to play. The key to unlocking this potential is Smappy, the Stardew modding API. It acts as the central hub for nearly all mods, ensuring they run smoothly and integrate seamlessly with your game. This powerful tool is compatible across various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making modding accessible to almost everyone. To begin, ensure you've launched Stardew Valley at least one time so it can complete its initial setup. Next, navigate to the official Smappy website, Smappy.io, and download the most recent version. Once the download is complete, extract the contents of the zip file to a convenient location. Inside, you'll find an installer specific to your operating system. Double-click this file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to install Smappy directly into your Stardew Valley game folder. With Smappy installed, you're ready to explore the world of Stardew Valley mods. Popular platforms like Nexus Mods and ModDrop host thousands of creations, from minor tweaks to expansive new content. When selecting mods, always review their descriptions for any required dependencies, as many mods need other specific mods to operate correctly. After downloading, simply extract each mod's files into its own distinct subfolder within the mods folder, which resides in your main Stardew Valley game directory. To play with your newly installed mods, launch Stardew Valley using the Smappy executable or through a game client shortcut configured by the Smappy installer. A console window will open, providing real-time feedback on mod loading and any potential issues. If you encounter problems, carefully examine this console for red error messages, which often indicate a missing dependency or a conflict. For more in-depth troubleshooting, utilize the Smappy Log Parser online. It analyzes your log file and offers solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.